Good day, learners! I am Miss Lorraine, or you can call me Teacher Lorraine. I will be your science teacher today. In this video, I will discuss the topic about menstrual cycle. At the end of the discussion, the students will be able to identify the phases of the menstrual cycle. As boys and girls grow, there are many changes that occurs in terms of physical, social, and emotional aspects. During puberty stage, boys are grow faster than girls. They develop low-pitched voice, broader shoulder, and Adam's apple. Hair begins to grow under arms, on the face and genitals, and the testes starts to produce sperm. On the other hand, girls grow taller than boys. They develop bigger breasts and hips. Also, pubic hair starts to grow. And this stage, ovaries begin to produce egg cell that becomes the reason of having menstruation monthly. In this lesson, you will learn how eggs are produced and mature, and what happened to them during menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle only happens among girls and begins during puberty or menarche. It is a monthly period of egg maturation and pregnancy preparation along with the production of different hormones. Menstruation is the stage of the menstrual cycle usually lasting from 3 to 5 days when fertilization does not occur. During this process, blood, some uterine tissues, and the unfertilized egg are eliminated from the uterus through vagina. Look at the picture of female reproductive organ. Generally, menstrual cycle have 4 major stages. These are follicular stage wherein egg is developed and ovulation, the endometrium thickens, and the luteal stage, the egg gets released, and the last is menstruation, the endometrium shed. The first one is follicular stage. Hormones are produced to stimulate the growth of ovarian follicles and the thickenings of endometrium. The second is ovulation stage. In this process, another hormone causes the follicle to rupture and release an egg, or also called as oocyte. The next is luteal stage. In this stage, hormones act on the uterus from preparation for pregnancy. The last one is menstruation. In this stage, the thick lining of the uterus will slough off and will be eliminated from the body as menstrual blood. Based on the different stages of menstrual cycle, why do you think girls have their monthly period? Remember, class, if an egg is not fertilized, the uterus comes off its lining in the form of blood. This is typically called monthly period. Girls can count the days in their cycle to help them know when to expect their next period. This is useful so that they can prepare some pads in their bag. To be reminded about the occurrences of the menstruation, counting the days is important. For instances, girls may mark the first day of bleeding on the calendar. It takes 5 to 3 days to complete menstruation. So let's proceed. Conduct an interview with your older sister or mother about their menstruation. So the number one is, at what age did you first experience to have menstruation or period? The second one is, for this month, at what exact date do you usually start experience bleeding? The third, number three, is based on your observation, at what exact date your bleeding stops? The last one is, from the day that bleeding stops, at what date on the next month you start your period? So for your assignment, answer the following questions. How many days a woman bleeds or experiences menstruation? The next one is, based on the makings in the calendar, how many days a woman takes to complete the menstrual cycle? Do you think all women have the days of same menstrual cycle? Why or why not? So that's all for today. Thank you for listening.